Hi guys, thank you for tuning in everyone. Tanya Quinn here again with another video. This is a fast forward video. I'm going to be bleaching my locks that I just made, which are 0.8 thickness, 16 inches long, using peroxide and bleach, 30 volume. That's what I'm using, 30 volume. Don't mind me, I'm just doing it like this because when you're dyeing locks, when you're bleaching locks, there's no really proper way to use a brush like you would normally use with regular hair, because I need this bleach to saturate into the locks. I'm not sure what the measurements I use, but you can just count the scoops from what you see here in the video. Guys, I have so many videos and photos to post. I think I have like 1,600 videos and photos to post, but it takes me such a long time to try to edit them because I am not an expert. You guys all know that, but just bear with me and I will get those videos up shortly and in no time. Look how beautiful my locks are. Gorgeous, beautiful. I love them. Saturate, saturate, saturate. That's what I'm doing. Saturating these locks so that the color can lift beautifully. I don't use black hair color when I'm making my locks. I use natural black because that's the rawest hair that you will find. And there's no color. It's just in a raw hair form. Saturate, saturate, saturate. Try not to get this bleach on your skin because it does itch, guys. Now what I'm doing is just cleaning up if any bleach got on the top part or in the back area. I just clean that up before it lifts the color. When you see the bleach like this on the hair, that means it's oxidizing. Tell me that color does not look good. Look at that. Look at those locks. Look at how they move. Beautiful. beautiful. I know. I just love what I do. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse the bleach off of the locks and prepare them for the red permanent hair dye. For some reason, this part of the video, it's soothing to me. I don't know why, but I just feel tranquility when I get to this part of the video, rinsing off the locks. That. Ooh, talk about perfection. Look at how those locks lifted. I know you guys love that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is add this brand of hair color, which is good to dye dark hair, but I'm using it. I bleached the locks so that the color can be more intense. So here I go, mixing away. The same way I put the bleach on the locks is the same technique that I'm using to add the red permanent hair color onto the locks. Get that, guys. For me, that is Fire Engine Red. They're beautiful, ready for installation. 0.8 thickness. I think I did 70 locks at 0.8 thickness. Look how beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. God bless.